Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to delete your Twitter account using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. By the way, if you are using your mobile device, don't worry because the process is still the same as long as you follow what I am saying. Okay? So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Twitter account. And now I want you to do, if you are using your computer, click on the More section here and Settings and Support. Okay. And if you are using your mobile device, just go ahead and click on your profile and click on Settings and Privacy. Okay. So once you're on Settings and Privacy, you can see your account section or option. So just go ahead and click on that and click on deactivate your account. So there's no specific option where you can delete your Twitter account permanently. What you can do is to deactivate your account. Okay. So deactivating your account means your display name, your username, and public profile will no longer be viewable on twitter.com. Twitter for iOS or Twitter for Android. You can restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days of deactivation. Okay, so now once you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on deactivate. And now just go ahead and type your password for verification only that you are the owner of that account. So just go ahead and type your password and click deactivate. So that's it. I hope this video helped you and thank you for watching our tutorial on how to delete your Twitter account using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.